Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would do a fun video today. It's trash day in our neighborhood, and this was sitting on top of a neighbor's trash can. So I knocked on their door and they said they just couldn't get it to crank and that I could have it if I wanted to. So I thought it would be kind of fun and educational if I try to get it to start again. Only things I see wrong with it right off the bat are they messed up the pull start on it, and I would assume that they probably left gas in it over the winter and now it won't start. So let's take it apart and see if we can get it running. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take this tube off so that it's easier to work on. And we will check the spark plug. It looks pretty good. That's all that left. Totally good. They had pulled on it too hard and it just got lodged. I'm just lubricating these so that that one was kind of sticky. And when you pull to start it, these need to move. So got that taken care of. Air filter is really dirty. I'm just checking the fuel lines to make sure they're okay. They seem brittle, but they're probably fine. I don't even know if I should take that carburetor off until let's try to start it first. I'm gonna take the spark arrestor out because a lot of times those get clogged. with carbon. So we're going to just eliminate that issue. So we need to dump the gas out and put some fresh gas in. It may have a hole in a gas line or this primer bulb because it's not pulling any fuel into the primer bulb. Carefully take this off because of the stuff. This is really dirty in there. That screen. See this screen? It's got all that trash in it. See? So we'll clean all this up. You see how like this line is just hard and brittle now, and it doesn't flex like a new like rubber line would. See, it's just like hard plastic now. Okay, now
I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. Yeah, for you, my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
Okay, so just to recap, all I did was replace the fuel lines, spark plug, fresh fuel, clean the carburetor, and long story short, what was the problem was the kill switch. So I disconnected the kill switch and it cranked right up. So here's a good blower for blowing off like fertilizer off sidewalks and walkways and driveways. That it'll be a lot easier than putting on my backpack blower to blow fertilizer off. So about $10 and got another blower. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.
I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you.